A buyer's guide to NFTs on Solana. Welcome back to XRP Hut, where we talk about the latest moves in the blockchain space and how they will affect the wider market. In this video, we'll discuss a buyer's guide to non-fungible tokens on Solana and all the tools you need to buy your first ones. I recently shared my experience with the leading NFT ecosystems and covered Solana as one of the main contenders to Ethereum's dominance. Solana is designed to be scalable, affordable, and near free. All of this combined with the popular Solana ecosystem attracts new builders and artists while preventing any gas war. Here's a few things that make us optimistic. There are lots of interesting and innovative projects and ideas out there, and the quality is continually improving. I recommend that you explore the Solana NFT ecosystem. Getting started is easy with little to no upfront requirements. Just kickstart your exploration by becoming familiar with the tools. You will find something for you eventually. If you are new to NFTs, you can get Sol by purchasing it on one of the following exchanges: Coinbase, Binance, or FTX. You will also be able to purchase Sol with the other native currencies across the Solana ecosystem. These exchanges allow you to trade your fiat money like USD or Euros directly into Sol. One Sol is currently worth around $200 after a €127 increase in 2021 that became increasingly popular. This makes Solana worth €6 at today's rate. It is the sixth most valuable cryptocurrency in the world, making it worth more than BNB, CRX, XTZ, and TUSD. For a full overview on where to buy a Sol, please visit CoinMarketCap. In addition, it also has information on the best wallets for storing your coins. Personally, I don't have much new to say about wallets, so I'll just mention the stuff from my previous article. MetaMask currently has the most active user base in the space, holding a similar position as Phantom does. The browser plugin makes buying NFTs really easy. Even has an NFT tab that displays tokens, so you can easily confirm that you got what you paid for after minting a new project. If you're shopping around for a wallet and wanted to work with all the big Solana marketplaces, your only other options at the moment are Solfair. However, I haven't found a major difference in any of these to just stick with up-and-coming company Phantom. They offer the ultimate way to store coins in one place without worrying about. When it comes to Solana wallets, Phantom is still the undisputed king. So for the time being, Flare and Solidity are your only viable options. You go to the markets. When it comes to secondary marketplaces, the Solana ecosystem is far more fragmented than Ethereum, and there isn't yet an undisputed leader like OpenSea. One of the reasons for the fragmentation is that all of the major marketplaces are curated, with some having stricter curation than others. This means that there are likely to be fewer scams than on more open marketplaces. Still, I recommend it. Before making a purchase, verify the collection or follow the collection's direct links from their Discord or Twitter profile. Solana Art is the largest and most reputable marketplace, but it is also the one with the most stringent curation. Some projects can take days or weeks to be listed here, and some have yet to be listed weeks later. Magic Eden has quickly established herself as one of the leading candidates for the Solana Art's position, and one that appears to make it much easier for new projects to get into the third tier appears to be digitalized and other common go-tos for new projects looking for secondary marketplaces as soon as possible after a long period of time. I'm also seeing the new NFT marketplace on FTX, which is starting to gain traction thanks to the curation. You may encounter minting an NFT and not be able to sell it on the secondary market at times. Immediately, new projects will be announced on Discord after that. If they've been pre-approved for any of the above marketplaces before mint, they'll be able to send out updates as their other applications are approved. Sol Shop, Alpha Art Market, and Sol are three other upcoming marketplaces that have the potential to compete with the ones listed above. I don't have much experience with these marketplaces, and I rarely see them mentioned on Discord by teams or other collectors. Go to the marketplaces. In a nutshell, the most right below the marketplace is Sola Heart, but it's also the one with the strictest curious. Magic Eden is a strong second-place finisher behind Solana. For many new NFT projects, Art Digitalize, FTX Sol Shop, Alpha Art Market, and Solsci are all competing for market share. Other useful tools should be shared. I'll conclude this Solana introduction with a few useful tools. Analysis is one of the most popular sites for getting a quick overview of the most popular projects, tracking their progress, and determining the rarity of individual items in various categories. Our Moonrank and Solana Floor are two other tools I've saved for similar use cases. The latter is still in beta, with a small number of projects and data, but I've heard and seen some good things about it. Thank you for taking the time to watch. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please like the video and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.